Hi guys, welcome back to another 3-Minute Thursday. Today we're looking at how to program the multi-outlet Holman QuikDial Tap Timer. The Holman QuikDial Tap Timers have 4 starts, which can be applied to any of the 2 or 4 outlets. To get started, you just need to insert 2 AA alkaline batteries, after which the program will reset. We then need to set up the current time and day on your tap timer. To do that, scroll the selection button backwards until you see the digital clock start flashing. When it's flashing, press the selection button and you'll be able to start setting the hours. Set that to the correct time, press the selection button once more and you can set the minutes. When that's correct, press it once more and you'll be able to set up the day of the week. You can scroll back and forwards through the days until you select the correct one. Once it's selected, press it once more. You've then set up the current time. Now you have the current time and day set on your tap timer, it's time to set up the starts. We'll start with start 1. To do that, scroll the selection button until you see the number 1 selected. Click the selection button to start setting up that time. You'll see a little box appear around start time. Click the selection button to set the hours for that time. You can scroll up or down to select the hour. Click the selection button to move on to minutes and scroll that up or down to select your minutes. Once correct, click the selection button once more and you'll move on to runtime. The little box will move around runtime. Click the selection button and set the time for how long you want each start to run for. When the runtime is correct, click the selection button to move on to setting the days. These are the days of the week that the start will occur on. Click the selection button and you'll see the underscore start flashing under Monday. You can click the selection button to remove a day or simply scroll on to the next one. If you accidentally remove a day that you didn't want to, scroll the selection back to that empty space, click the selection button and that day will be added back in. Once you've gone through all of the days, click the selection button and you'll see the underscore start flashing under every day. This is confirmation of the days that you've set. Click it once more to move on to the zones. This is where you select which outlet the start will water from. If you select multiple zones, the timer will water sequentially from left to right. Click the selection button to program your zones. Zone 1 will start flashing. You can either click the selection button to remove it or scroll to the right to add in zone 2. Click the selection button to confirm. Starts can also be turned on or off. Scroll left or right to turn it on or off. Click the selection button to confirm. The program will return to the main menu. You can then program start 2 in the same way. If you want to manually water, click the on-off button to scroll through the available zones. Select the zone you want to manually water from by scrolling back and forth. Click the selection button and scroll the button to set the time you want to manually water for. Once manual watering has finished, your dial will return to regular program. To suspend all watering, simply hold down the selection button until the sprinkler icon appears with a circle and a line through it. To reverse this action, simply hold down the selection button again until the icon disappears. Well, that's how to program your Holman QuikDial Tap Timers. If you're still having problems setting up your schedule, please reach out to our friendly customer support team who will be able to assist. That's all we have time for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you smart gardeners in the next video. Now that you have the current time and day set on your... just let it go. Now that you have the current day and time set on your tap timer, we'll show you how to... Oh my God. Cut that.